everyone, good morning. Andito tayo ngayon sa kusina ni Flora. We're making an escabeche, yung natira kagabi to. So, natira kahapon na prito, so I make it for escabeche today. And then, this is it. Okay. Wait ha. Baliktarin natin yung okay. Yung natirang prito kahapon, in-escabeche natin. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye. The escabeche is done. Thank you. See you next video. Ang sukat pala ng suka at saka sukal, isa lang. Okay. Dana ang ating escabeche. Okay, bye.